Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create logo abstract design using Ellipse and Shape Builder in Adobe Illustrator. Draw circle 550 by 550 and inner 250 by 250 dimensions using Ellipse. Select both align vertically and horizontally center, as shown. Select both the circles. Right-click, group them. Draw a reference circle 50 by 50 dimensions. Align vertically and horizontally center. Select circle. Hold Shift key and move 10 steps top from the reference circle, using up arrow key. Select circle and go to rotate 360 degrees divided by 6 is equal to 60, press shortcut key equals R. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution. Control plus D to duplicate. Now, draw circle 700 by 700 dimensions using Ellipse for connecting each inner and outer circles, as shown. Select all and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object, create shape. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select each shape and apply 2 shaded gradient from the swatches. Press shortcut key equals G to change the gradient direction. Play with the gradient direction for the best result. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.